So intellectual murder people edition.
Murder them blurs and skirt and make them know so yo.
Man, you stupid.
We are got so intellectual.
Murder people edition. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charged up, eager for kill a man.
This me, you must be sick. And it is 17 lodge up in this. 45 feet me clot me now miss.
Yeah, people start to in Mandeville again with a new type of content.
Yeah, man. We have 5 bills that give away today.
Yeah,
so we got anybody will win the 5 bills. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Every time, every day, every hour, every minute,
every second. And here, follow my IG, Camera Motion.
Ocean Motions, answer the intro, you know.
Wait no man,
Big
people.
up Prince go over for the visuals.
Yeah, man. Answer the intro.
I know we're around with people.
And we are with Fat V.
They don't know, say we're not evil.
No, so we're not having it. We got 6K TV beside the camera.
6K TV. I don't know, the 6K represent for OTP.
Yes,
you see, free.
Really blazing because it's OTP down.
Yeah, people start to do what they are.
JTS8. Change with Britta Lee.
Oh.
Britta Lee.
Oh.
We're around. Brittany.
Yeah. Flames there in your house, you know. You don't know the bad boss. Check every time, you know.
Well, I don't know Nick official motions, you know, but we can't do in another account there right now, you see me, but still follow.
So what you know now, we are doing finish the look.
Yeah, people, so me there in the place with
Ramazone again, you know. That's it.
what's that name?
GRAMMAXONE.
So grandma's one spell? Metal no, got me done. Watch out now.
You don't know, say boy, 6K TV. Big up OTP, see free. Alright.
Today we are do. Finish the lyrics and get money. We'll stop the Punisher now. So watch out now.
Yeah.
The song where we are used today, a gunmanship by Skeng. So we are got some intellectual.
Murder people edition. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charged up, eager for kill a man. Ratty gang, film gang. Run up if you're bad.
No, you have to take a course.
No, dog, you don't. Me no know a whole lot of thing about me, just know peace.
Just no peace.
Peace like me know. I just that alone now use.
Yeah.
I just 250 me want, man. Just intellectual murder people edition.
Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charged up, eager for kill a man. Ratty gang for me gang. You run up if you're bad. Kryptonite, I mean, I do the most fight in the middle of the night to make the place get noisy. You never know, see a little juvenile could have run in your yard and take your cheap.
Now you have to carry to the chorus, man. I'm finish it to the chorus. Carry to the chorus.
We got someone like Babylon, Panimian Ministry. When me buck him, Lord Jesus Christ, yeah. Now make him run.
Zano. Whoa, she is so close, people. She was so close. Watch out, people. On to the next one. You know what going to see it. So I'm going to give you a tune. You have to finish it in order to win the 5 bills. You see? So intellectual murder people edition.
Murder them blurs and skirt and make them know so yo.
Man, you stupid.
Don't know bad boss flames in your house, you know. Yeah. Make them know so not a normal a killer. Killer stepping at the place with them long machine.
Finish the lyrics. Intellectual murder people edition.
That's how we do it, that's how we flash. 5,000 in a cup, up in a glass. Me name Liquor Tea and me attack. A gold chain round my neck and much cheap on me. Money in me, in my flash. Yeah, that's how we drink, that's how we do it, that's how we flash. 5,000 in my glass. Girl, I say me street, that's how me cute when me step up in the street. Every girl in the street, yo, sell that, them below, you know. Watch me in an interview, me Rasta. My junking about win a punk. One more tune. No boy can bad me up. No boy can grab me up. I opened up his stinking mouth to stab me up. No boy can bad me up. No boy can grab me up. I opened up Sheldon. Y'all live it. Man, I sick head, me flick head and kick head. Point my gun pan your girl. Make sure you off me dick head. Tell the boy no flip to me thing. Come and slick to me thing and I not zip this. Nobody zip to me thing. Stick a bit me make him fret. My boss him head now like 4 pumpkin. I make him brain fry like 4 dumpling. Hey, girl, live it, my God.
Alright, I need to finish the lyrics still, but him give you a whole song. So what's on the people? Yeah, big up Liquor Tea from Mandeville, Gandeville. You know I come down 5,000 and a cup of brass, so we do it.
So we stop the finish lyrics and get polished, alright?
Alright.
So the song we are used today is Gunmanship by Skeng.
Okay, alright.
You understand? So what you know now? Want to finish, you can got the chorus. So intellectual.
Murder people come.
Oh, hold the 5 bills, hold the 5 bills. No, you're not winning yet, So Kerry got the chorus.
Alright.
Intellectual.
Brother people edition. Kakafaya put go like edition.
Do me a favor, please.
You don't know it?
Me know I don't want to hear contract na me yes.
Get out of here.
Intellectual.
Murder People edition. Kaka and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charge up. Eager for kill a man ratty than for me gang pull up.
It don't lose. Just like that, they lose 5 minutes. Oh my God.
Now go and pull you up. Yo, don't give me a run after this. Boom.
Alright, watch out. No, I can't make you need to know the song. Move your bum. You know the song, people.
You don't know.
People, alright, watch out. Intellectual.
Murder People edition. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charge up, eager to kill a man. Ratty gang, Fimi gang. Say run up if you're bad. You want me done?
Continue.
You serious?
Continue.
Kryptonite, I don't do the muscle fight. In the middle of the night, I let the place get noisy. You never know that a little juvenile could run in your yard and take your 3 pints here. Bobby Lane, on the lane. Him not stray, pan the main. When me buck him, Lord Jesus Christ. Don't let him run, don't let him walk, don't let him slip the pin a hitch. When you dash him when nobody can find him.
Nowhere.
This me. You must be sick. And a 17 lodge up in this. 45 feet me clot it now miss. My finger move swift. Me gun them now hitch. Go pick up with them sick. This me.
Yes.
And I will kill 2 of them up in this.
Kill them boom.
Gunman shift.
Yeah.
By who?
Skeng.
Alright, first of all, I don't know who name Skeng.
You don't know that song? I start again. Intellectual Murder People edition.
Zin. Alright, I'll just start right now.
Intellectual Murder People edition. Yeah.
I'm not playing a made it, but we just can't say a word them. Intellectual.
5 years now, you know. Let's see if we walk off with you know.
Yeah, I don't know.
China, man.
We don't know the word.
China, man.
Alright, I think so. Ready? One again.
Intellectual Murder People edition.
I think that's how you go, you know.
That's alone, you know, dog. Don't give up my 5 bills, brother. Oh, listen. Alright, so today we had to finish the lyrics, but we're not punish them, you know. We are just gonna some money, one on this. But watch out now, if you keep the money, you know. You have to finish the lyrics from start to the chorus. And today we had the Gunman Shift by Skeng. So watch out now. Why song start again? Forget it. Why song start again?
Alright. Clock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charge up, eager for kill a man. Ratty gang for me gang. You run up if you're bad. Gripping and time and do the most fighting at the middle of the night. We make a place get noisy. Yeah. You never know, see a little juvenile could have run in your yard and take your 3 pints. Yeah, oh, Babylon, but me and me.
You can't finish it in the chorus. You have to carry the chorus. Carry the chorus.
I go.
Hey, you can't tell me.
No, sir. I hate that. We can't. Me not have it.
This me. You must be sick. And it is 17 lodge up in this. 45 feet me clot me now miss. Me finger move swift. Me gun them now. Govy them sick. This me. And I don't kill 2 of the puppy that. Go so go down the lyrics. You know?
Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe if you like this video. One girl you win the 5 bills, but she vex and nobody want it. But anyways, like, comment, share. Tell me channel again.
6K TV and 6K present for OTP. You see that? Yeah man, subscribe, click the bell, cause what the damn channel up on send. What I say?
So, can you hear me? Oh, it's a function now.
Yeah man.
You don't know I go about TV. How you present for OTP. You see pre.
So watch out people. Like, comment, share, bye. We out of the place. I will not show no face.
You not tell them for scrub scripts. No want to know scrub scripts them.
To them human tube, you know?
To the human tube, you know?
Alright. Alright, so we
don't know.
Oh.